Hello everyone, and in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and let me show you how to change system language. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and mark Language and Input. Here you've got Language and Region, just mark it, and select Edit. Now you can remove unnecessary languages here, and if there is a one that you want to apply, just leave it here, tap on confirmation mark, and it would be applied. However, if you wish to select something else, just mark other language and pick it from this list. Tap on change, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.